Hi there, students. Gaffe. A gaffe. And I think as well a verb to gaff. A gaffe is a silly mistake or a serious mistake that is embarrassing that you made it, especially when you do it in public. So they played the wrong national anthem when the president got off the plane. What a gaffe. They gaffed by playing the wrong national anthem. So a gaffe, a clumsy social error, an obvious mistake, bad judgment, to put your foot in it, to make a tactless remark. McDonald's making burgers for Hindus was clearly a gaffe. They made a serious gaffe. So notice, to make a gaffe with the verb to make. I looked in the dictionaries and they don't include gaff as a verb, but to me, to gaff is fine. They gaffed, they made a gaff. I gaffed by asking about her mother's health. It turned out her mother had died 10 years previously. I made a serious gaff, a blunder, a faux pas. I am an expert in making embarrassing gaffes. Yeah, there are all sorts of gaffes I can make. A serious mistake. Now, be careful with this word gaff. This ends with an E. But we also have gaff in English, G-A-F-F, with no E. And this has various different meanings. So a gaff can be a stick, a long stick with a hook on the end of it, a boat hook. You would use a gaff to land a big fish or to bring it up onto your boat. The fish was too heavy to lift on the line and we had to gaff it. We had to use a gaff to lift it into the boat, a boat hook. Apparently also the Americans use this gaff to talk about criticism or bad treatment, uncountable, still with no E. So there was a lot of gaff about him in the gutter press. Okay, they used, going back to the previous film, they used a gaff, a boat hook, to land the shark. And then in British English, in informal British English, a gaff is a place to live, a flat, a house, where somebody lives. Notice this is informal British English. I'd probably give this meaning a 3 informality, still no E. I've moved into a new gaff. Do you want to come and see my new gaff? Yeah, we could have a party at my gaff next week. So notice these are all without the E, but in this video I want to concentrate on to gaff with an E, a serious embarrassing mistake often made in public. Yeah, a faux pas. Have you made any serious gaffes recently? When making the presentation, I made a serious gaffe and I left out 1 or 2 very important points. When you're speaking publicly, it's easy to make gaffes. But when speaking with the video, if I make a gaffe, then I just re-record the video or stop it and cut and paste a new piece. Okay, so a gaff with an E, a serious embarrassing mistake. I think I would probably give this word maybe a 5 informality, maybe 4.5. I think it's flexible. You can definitely use it informally when speaking, you can use it semi-formally. I think you can use it in a very formal document, but I might use an embarrassing mistake, an embarrassing blunder. And what about the origin? Well, this comes from French. In French, there's a word gaffe, meaning a blunder, a serious mistake. So, try not to make any more gaffes. I don't think I've made a serious gaffe so far in this video, but as I said, I'm an expert in making gaffes. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.